Hey, if you're an educator or if you're running an online academy or a course, this one is for you. You're definitely producing certificates for all your participants. Now, if you want to create certificates in bulk for all your participants, let's look at this online certificate generator that we've just created using the brand new page designer app in Stackby. So let's just say this is your table where you have the awardee names or the participant name. You have the date at which the participant has particularly completed a course or which is like the completion date. Your signee, say you are the signee, it could be university, any university or any school. I've just added like House of the Dragons, and your signature, right, which is just an alphabet H and D. You can add the details of the records. So basically, this particular person has successfully completed the program for Stackby beginners on this particular day at Udemy, right? And you're just adding like the certificate background image. So you need to create like a background image like this. So you can find any sort of a frame for your certificates online. There are tons of frames available. Just add one that fits, what you're looking at, right? So now let's start looking at creating a certificate from just these records, right, in bulk. So you go to Stackby apps. We've already created like a certificate generator. I've already created a better looking one here, but I'm going to start creating one from scratch so you exactly know how it works. So I just add an app, add another page designer. In this case, I'm just going to add like a custom size, so which is 1080 by 728, right? And done. This is like a typical size that I'm looking at, for my certificate. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is all my records from the table will show up like this. The first thing I want to pull up is the background. So the background pulls up like this, and I can stretch it and take it to an end-to-end border. So I go here and I just put it into the border, right? Let me fit this. So once I fit it into the entire border, let's fit it like this. Just have to do it once. Okay. So let's just say I've just created like an image like this, then end-to-end border, right? So not bad. I mean, I'll just stretch it a little on top. Okay. Now I want to first of all bring like a static text, which would be, say, I'll add like my text here, which is certificate of achievement, right? Change the font, add like a font size, right? Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to add the name of the awardee. So the first thing I'm going to bring is the name of the awardee. Add like a font. Change the font size to say 28, right? Make it in the center. Then add the details. So this particular person has completely Successfully completed the program for Stackby beginners. Change the font, add the font size, right? So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to bring the date text, add the date here, and the signee here, right? Definitely change the font, right? Change the font. I can even change the font size, right? And add the dates and the signatures. In this case, I'm just going to add the date from the date field. And signature from the signature field. But in this case, I want to change the font to look it a little different. So I'll choose like an Anic Latin, a little gray, right? Make it 26, right? And that's it. I mean, you've pretty much created your own certificate. So just click on Done Editing and preview it. So you see a brand new certificate is created for all your records automatically. So as soon as you add a new record, it basically creates a certificate like this. What you can also do is you can basically click on print and print it in the landscape mode, add your custom dimension, add the width. In this case, the best would be 1080 by 720, right? So it just creates a certificate like this. Like in the print view, you can even save it as a PDF and share it with your participants. So this is how you can quickly create. This is the fastest way I think that you can create your certificates and scale it for all your programs that you run as an educator or as an online educator. Just maintain those records in Stackby, create it once, and just keep exporting it as a PDF. So if you see, I've already created like a good looking one here. You just preview it. So this is how your certificate would look. Okay. So give this a try and let us know, what you think. Cheers. Bye.